Hi! Today, mag-unbox tayo ng bago. This one. We have the complete set ng Blockies na Prologue of Adventure. Ito yung CVS. Yan, na size, yung mga maliliit. Open natin.
Daddy will build first.
Yeah, si Charmander unahin natin. Yun cute, ganda. Yan. Ito na yung global release, English version na. Unbox na natin, buuin natin si Charmander. Ito yung box, yung top, yung side, yung back. Bottom. Okay? Open na natin. Let's go. We have the stand, the card, sticker para sa stand, instruction. Yun, ganda. Cute ni Charmander, oh. Movable yung mouth. Yan, naka-open. Yan, naka-close. Look at that. Charmander is so cute. Movable yung hands, yan. Yung feet, and yung legs, pati yung tail, yung head, and yung mouth. Here's Charmander. Ayan, oh. Ganda with the effect. Ayan, ganda, oh. Cute. Look. Sobrang ganda. Ang cute. That's all. Peace. Thumbs up. Follow for more.